some dude really thought it was a good idea to put the emergency brake. It hasn't even skipped the auto stop point yet. And they pulled the emergency brake. You have operators to do that. The operators drive the train. And you go and pull the emergency brake. Why would you do that? You see, if they don't put the emergency brake on that E-train, whoever did that in there is actually smoking high. I gotta take this, my guy. That over there is fine, but this isn't. Bruh. Ain't no sense. See, the operator can do it. The operator can drive the train itself to the stop mark and open its door successfully. One of these passengers are so scared that the train won't stop itself. Bruh, why, my guy? Why?